For 3-1 Pharmacy Pharmacology, as per PCS syllabus, I would like to explain autocoids. Under this, today I would like to explain leukotrienes. Leuco, the name indicates they are derivatives of the white blood cells. Trienes, they have 3 alternative double bonds. So in this way, they have given the name of leukotrienes. There are several varieties are there. They are synthesized from the LOX pathway, lipoxygenase pathway. So they are leukotriene A4, B4, C4, D4, E4 and F4. Here C4, D4, E4 and F4, they are called cysteinyl leukotrienes. Like prostaglandins, they participate in the inflammatory process. They causes bronchoconstriction in the asthma. Their mechanism of action is they acts on G protein coupled receptor. Their G proteins are GS, GI, GQ. Here cysteinyl leukotrienes, they acts on cysteinyl leukotriene 1 and cysteinyl leukotriene 2 receptors. They are GQ type of GPCR. Their pharmacological effects are activity on CVS, cysteinyl leukotrienes, they causes vasoconstriction effect on pulmonary and coronary arteries, skin and mesentery. In large blood vessels, they have no effect. Here leukotrienes C4 and D4, they have more potent activity to form exudate compared to the histamine. So here activity on blood cells, leukotriene C4, they have chemotatic effect on neutrophils as well as macrophages, whereas leukotriene D4 and C4, they have chemotatic effect on eosinophils. Activity on GIT, they have specific role in irritable bowel disease. Bronchial activity on bronchial smooth muscle, cysteinyl leukotrienes, they are a potent bronchoconstrictor. Therapeutically, they have no effect. Coming to platelet activating factor, they have role in bronchial asthma and anaphylactic shock. These platelet activating factors are not present in these cells. That means they are not stored in cells. Coming to biosynthesis and degradation, they are derived from the phospholipid cell platelet activating factor. By the activation of phospholipid, it will form lysyl glycerol platelet activator. From this platelet activating factor will be formed by the SL-CoA enzyme. Platelet activating factor again degraded by the acetyl hydroxylase enzyme to form precursor. This precursor also again form its precursor by the acetyl transferase enzyme. Coming to pharmacological action or physiological action, it is a potent vasodilatator and it is a gastric ulcerogen and increases vascular permeability. It stimulates and aggregates neutrophils and induces their adhesion to the vascular endothelium. It degranulates eosinophils and activates WBC cells and releases thromboxane A2. This will lead to the bronchoconstriction. And coming to the pathophysiological role in neutrophils, basophils and renal medullary cells and endothelial cells, they mainly participates in allergic reactions. Platelet activating factor mobilizes eosinophils, macrophages and platelets towards the allergic area. So they will causes bronchial hyperactivity. They are responsible for the delayed pace of asthma and their antagonists are ginkoglides and triazolam.